But when the ice cream van moved on, George forgot all about staying out of the trouble and went to find someone fun of his own. Gising na eh. Wait lang. In the living room, George found party blowers and hats and games. Could this be part of his friend's surprise? Before George could find out, he spot some streamers, balloons, and colored tissue he could not resist. Wow! Muging playa ang balloons, ang ang pito-pito, ang cup, ang baligya sila, may birthday. Sino birthday man? May friend surprise kuno nga game sa bansang monkey. Decorating was easy for a little monkey. Wow, siya nag-decorate. Dili day. Oo. Na. Still, George was curious about the surprise. And what was the good smell coming from the kitchen? Sa monkey, lutong maabot man. Galuto sila guro. Ay, George followed his nose. Gisunod ni... Oo. Ang monkey, ya ako, ang dito amot man. Gisunod ya ang... Alamot. Ano to man? Ito yung laging cook man. Ang balas ang monkey. It was a cake. And looked as good as it smelled. All it needed was come icing. George had seen his friend making icing before. Nakita ko na sa monkey kung paano mag-make sang cake sa iya friend. But today, his friend was busy. Maybe George could help. He could ice the cake himself. First, George put a bit of this in the mixing bowl. Next, he added a bit of that. Then, he turned the mixer on. The icing whirled around and around. It was whirling too fast. But when George tried to stop the mixer, it only went faster. Look, nagsidasig ko ng mixer and faster. Wala iging stop. Ay. George lifted the batters out of the bowl. Icing flew everywhere. Ala, naglapta ang icing. Sabis kang diin na. Naglapta ang ice cream. Kaya once stop sa mixer. Hindi siya kabalo kung paano mag-off sa mixer. Naglapta na sa kitchen. Poor George. He did not mean to make such a mess. He had only wanted to help. Now, how could he clean up the sticky kitchen? Paano ako natiluan, day? Ang damo-damo nga icing sa kitchen kay wala sa kabalo nga amo ni gali kalapta. Wala may mabulig sa iya. Judge. Just then George heard the tinkle music again. The ice cream van was coming back up the street and George had an idea. May idea si ang monkey. Quickly he opened the door. Not any listen to mommy. And invited all of the dogs and for a treat. Bo, yung tawag yung tanan ng mga dogs aday, naging pakaon yung tanan ng laptay itong icing sa kitchen. And no time, the kitchen was clean as a whistle. When the dogs finished their snack, George took them back outside. The ice cream van was still there, and so was his friends. George, said the man with the yellow hat, I've been looking for you. It's time for the surprise. George had fun hats, games, decorations, and the cake. He was curious. What a surprise a party! damo-damo. Yes, it was a party. George was happy to see all of his friends. They were glad to see George too. What great decorations! Bill said. Yes, okay. What a love of presents, said